Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, by the title, actually I don't really know what the title is. Basically I need to get my life together and organize my life. I have been for the past like 3-4 weeks off track. I got sick, which is amazing, but before that I was like celebrating my birthday and I had all these events and there was just a lot going on. So basically I have been off track for 3 weeks with everything in life. So I'm gonna use this video to organize my life and organize my space, because literally everything, when I say everything is disorganized, I mean everything. So that is what we are doing. What day is it today and what time? It is 8:55, July 18th. Wait, no it's not. It's not the 18th. That's my birthday. It's July 28th. It's also too early for me to function because I'm still getting over my sickness. But yeah, I've been sick for over a week and I'm over it, okay? It's still there and like I can feel it, but you know what? We strive, we push, and I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, we're gonna just get my shit together. So let's do that. I have some work stuff to do today because I haven't been editing or anything because I literally have had no energy. So that is what we're gonna do and hopefully upload a video today. So, and then we're gonna clean up. So let's go and do that. And I need a coffee like today, like right now, like in this moment. Thank you. Okay, also tell me why it's 9 in the morning and I have to use a ring light because it's so dark outside. Goodness. I have no cups. Do I have to wash one? I have to wash a cup because my brother keeps using them. Cool. Does anyone else have those cups that they will only drink out of? Because like this is it for me. Like I will only drink my iced coffee in this cup. I know. Let's make it. Let's make this. So I call this my protein coffee. Also it's just the way I drink my coffee. So we're gonna line it with sugar-free chocolate syrup. Nice little drizzle. Can you see it? Yeah. Add some caramel. Oh, she farted. And we have to fill this up with ice. Yep, this is how I have to get my ice. Coffee. I just get it from Costco. And protein vanilla shake. You can get the other flavors. I like vanilla. And you see that? She's pretty. And then you shake it all. This though, game changer. Now that I got my coffee, I can actually function now. So let's do some work. Kind of do some other work stuff. Just check my emails. Basically just catch up on the 3 weeks that I missed. Because I was kind of doing work within the 2 weeks and then I got sick, so they just stopped. But yeah, we're gonna go through it. Update, I've edited 2 videos and I kind of got sidetracked, and so now I have to edit the episode, which is going to take me the longest. Anyways, yeah. Also, I want to show you guys my Kindle. I know that was so off track. I want to show you guys my new Kindle. My parents got it for my birthday, which is just so... I love them for that because like hello. But yeah, I got the Kindle Paperwhite because it's like waterproof and all that, and like when I go to like the beach when I travel and stuff. But I got this like, you know, we did the clear case with the stickers, and I got this pop socket and it says love songs, which is just so cute. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this because I thought it was cute. But I'm gonna continue to edit and you guys can watch me. Okay, bye. Hello. Hi. Oh, hi. Hi. Oh, what? I know. Oh, my love. Good for you. Hi. All right, guys. It is currently the next day. Yesterday, I kind of ended up just working all day, and that was pretty much it. So today we are cleaning my rooms. That is what we're doing. I'm gonna show you guys my studio room because it's actually atrocious and I hate seeing it like this. I have really bad, like I get really bad anxiety when my rooms are a mess. So I need to clean it. Clean space, clean mind. I always say this, but yeah, we're gonna do that. So I will show you guys my rooms and clean it. So let's do that. So this is my studio room. It's just looking a mess. There's clothes everywhere. There's boxes everywhere. My counter is a mess. There's a lot of unnecessary things going on. So we need to clean this because it ain't working for me. So let's clean it. Also, it's just a mess. Like there's just ugh. So let's clean it and get all of that. We're gonna start off with my desk here because it's so messy and I can't find anything. I also like need to go through my drawers because I can't find my stuff. Like everything is just in shambles and I don't like it. So we're going to do that and clean my drawers and everything. I'm going to clean my drawers. My makeup drawers are a mess. They're all like mixed in together. I can't really find anything. I'm just gonna like organize it and all that. So you guys will just be here with me.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
Okay, next we have stuff on the ground, which is very gross. There's a lot of garbage and just stuff I need to throw out. So also clothes I have to pack away. So we're just gonna reorganize that stuff. See? Put you guys here for now.
Hello, Ramona. I missed her.
Also, my closet broke again. My shelves broke down. So right now we are currently struggling with that. That's another story. I don't even want to talk about it.
You for a dream. The engine glows, and I guess you always seem to know. Hello, Ramona. I push back the serious feeling.
Okay, my counter is clean. I have some goodies in here. My brother's friend's brother actually makes candles, and this is actually a local shop, which is so cool. So they gave me a bunch of candles, so thank you to you guys. But I'm excited, so I'm gonna try one of these. Let's see what we have here. We have, again, this is by the Naked what? The Naked Candle Company. I was like, what? The Naked Candle Company. Again, this is a local Canadian shop and it's in Calgary. So, I'm excited. This one is watermelon lemon. Ooh, that smells very good. It smells like fruit punch, which everyone loves a good fruit punch. This one we have a lilac field. Ooh, that smells really clean. We have midnight blossoms. Oh, ooh. I think I like that one the most. And then we have Forest Rain, which, ooh, that smells good too. Also, like, I love how like the candle matches the color. So again, thank you to Naked Candle for gifting me these. I'm really excited. I think I'm gonna do Midnight Blossom Stay because it smells really good and so good. Yeah, so I'm gonna light this one and make my room smell good since my counter's clear. So it's all clean. I'm gonna put this vacuum on, but it's all clean. That's just my stuff on the counter. All right, y'all, I finally finished cleaning my studio room. It only took an hour and a half. Great. But we're finished cleaning this. I think I'm tired for today. Well, for now, I'll clean my room later. But I still have to vacuum and steam clean and all that, but we're making progress. So that's all that matters.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean. In a moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bones, I'm remembering the words you told me. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all